I'm Mike Sand. I'm a weld team lead at Masaba. After I graduated high school, I was unsure of what I wanted to do, so I put an application in and got hired and came in with no experience. And they trained me on the job, and I basically worked my way up for the team lead position, and I've been here for 5 years now. What we do here, it's building something different every day. It's taking all these little parts put together and building one big thing.
A lot of people ask, what Masaba does. We design and build rugged equipment for the world. What does that mean? We got our start in the sand and gravel business and the aggregate business. And that's still a core of what we do. Since our beginning, we've really diversified. We get into the hard rock, we get into mining, we get into specialty stuff, whether it's pulp and paper, grains. If it can be conveyed, we can do it.
Career possibilities in manufacturing are endless. Positions we offer are in assembly, fabrication, welding, hydraulics, electrician, machining, also in engineering, drafting, supply chain management, procurement. We have routing, we have scheduling, customer service. All these are very well-paying positions and family wage careers.
My path to Masaba started between my sophomore year and junior year of college. That was my first internship actually in the sales engineering department. And then I came back another summer in the engineering department as a design engineering intern. After I graduated from the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology, I came to Masaba full-time, and I've been a design engineer for the last 2.5 years.
Here at Masaba, I'm allowed to kind of program the machine instead of sitting there and just punching in the numbers to make it go and just run, and I'm just not doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm actually programming everything, and that's something I really, really like. I actually get to be a machinist along with the programmer at the same time, and I think that's great.
At Masaba, we're committed to your success. Masaba partners with high schools, tech schools, and universities for scholarship opportunities and tuition assistance. Masaba also provides internships, on-the-job training, job shadowing, and direct hires. Join our team and build your future with Masaba.